Hey there, loves. Welcome and welcome back to another Sunday reset. Thank you guys for clicking on today's video just to spend some time with your girl, whether you are cleaning along with me or watching me work. Okay. I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Today we're going to just be resetting and refreshing my living room, so I need to make sure everything is dusted down as well as the mirrors are shined, cleaning the floors, the sofa. You guys know what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to make sure the room is nice and clean. I need to give my sofa a good wipe down, so we're going to do that as well. But I just hope you guys enjoy today's video, and if you do, please remember to click that like button. Also subscribe if you are not subscribed as yet, and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I really hope you guys enjoy today's reset, and definitely stick around for much more cleaning, organization, decorating, the whole nine, everything that deals with home. We do it on this channel, as well as some lifestyle, so do consider subscribing to my channel. Because we are a household that opens up all the windows in our home daily, and my husband deals with sinuses, I like to go in and dust down everything. So I dust the walls, the countertops, behind the television, everywhere dust could possibly land. I like to go in with my Swiffer duster and just dust everything down before I start wiping them down with a wet cloth. Sometimes I would go in with one of our mop heads on the wall. I would spray it down with a disinfectant and just wipe the entire wall down. But I don't usually do that unless we're in the Christmas time and I want the house to feel extra fresh. That's when I do the extra, like cleaning the walls. But dusting it down with the Swiffer duster definitely helps. To clean down my mirrors as well as my windows, I like to use my window cleaner. I'm going to be using the Pink Stuff glass cleaner, as well as my handy dandy newspaper. Yes, my handy dandy newspaper. I absolutely love using my newspaper to shine my mirrors and my glass, because it gives a squeaky clean shine, no streaks. Absolutely love it. So you guys, if you have not tried it, definitely try it. Like I said, I'm trying to take y'all back old school just a little bit. Plus, if you have newspapers and you just throw them away, just reuse and recycle. Just give it a second life. It won't hurt and it won't break the bank. Okay? I'm also using that same glass cleaner along with a towel to clean down my countertops. only the back cushions can be removed from my couch, so I'm going to remove the back cushions, then we're going to go ahead and vacuum down the entire couch. After vacuuming the couch, we're going in with our Sagriton. This is a disinfectant spray, so I'm going to be using this in a lemon scent, and I'm just going to spray the couch down and then give it a good wipe down with a cloth. Using that same glass cleaner, I'm just going to spray my napkin and give my TV a good wipe down. To not bore you guys, I vacuumed and wiped down the cushions off camera, so we're just going to go ahead and reassemble the couch. Who's ready for me to start decorating my home for fall? If y'all ready to see some fall decor on the channel, write the word fall down in the comment section and add a fall leaf to it. Like whatever fall leaves they have in the emoji box, add a fall leaf with the word fall if y'all ready for some fall decor. We have reached the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the home refresh. If you did, please do give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you guys are not subscribed as yet, and leave a comment down in the comment section, because you guys know I love chatting it up with you guys, and I do my best to answer every single comment. So until next time guys, I will see y'all in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.